Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
What's good? This is FTB Films, and today I'm about to crack this Smirnoff, some peach, and I'll do a Chili Willy.
About to hit the Chili Willies, let's go! Big slime top.
Full cap, check it, full cap.
Oh shit.
Holy fuck, dude. Fuck that, dude, that hurts my head. Oh! Holy fuck! Tell him what you just did. Send some liquor straight to my fucking brain. My brain feels numb.
You already know what's going on. Chili Willies, FTB Films.
Holy shit, son.
Bro. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you agree! He dapped it up!
Oh my god.
Rock him! Rock him!
Rock yourself, pussy.
Hold up. I got a nice jacket on. I don't think I could do it, dude.
Yeah, stone cold.
Let's go, one more time, you got it.
For the thrill of it, say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show.
Yo,
Fuck yeah. Rip it down, rip it down.
Yo,
Fuck this spike.
Fuck this spike. Yo, this shit look like it's about to fall.
I fucking hate this
Oh, it's gonna fall! It's tumbling!
Shit, you already know it's word.
I got 20 on my feet.
Yeah.
That ain't the baby, that's my baby.
Hey, who you? Bitch, it's the baby, what you heard about me? I put that nigga up, now niggas acting nervous around me. I'm in the rental truck sticked up like Walker, Texas Ranger. I'm on my grind like fuck a bitch, I get some pussy later. Don't even call my phone, you used to be a hater. Could've fucked your bitch, nigga. She made my dick so. I left from the jail, had like 336 missed calls. Oh, they wanna check on me now? You don't really love me, admit it. I'm with a bitch from the west side of town, I like my hoes ghetto and pretty. I got that on and I pull it out now. You ain't the only one with it. I'm tryna go get the cake for my daughter like it's a birthday, can you dig it? They tell me they like how I do my little dance. I can't really dance, I be jiggy. And I'm about to hop on the flight out to Cali, free Dutchman, they got him in prison. I gotta go sit down and meet with a label, they better be talking some million. And if not, I go check on the price of the pounds, blow it down and fly back to the city. Like fuck it, let's get back to work. Blow a kiss to the bitch.
Let's go! Easy work.
Jake, can you hold my fur logo really quick? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh,
are you okay with this?
When I get drunk, I don't feel anything.
So you're okay with it?
I mean, as long as I don't get knocked the fuck out and left.
Look at his hand, it's a fucking stick.
As long as you're okay with it.
Him.
Yo, Randy, trying to play.
Count for three. Count down for
3,
three.
2, 1, 0. Yo, look at the fucking How do you feel about that?
Am I rolling?
Come on, pound it. Holy
Fuck that, we bring gas. Yeah, pound like it's pounding some weird, like, fucking Chihuahua bit.
He's gonna puke.
Look at my bag.
Gooby gooby goo.
Do it! Front flip! Front flip!
Oh my god.
I took my medicine, ripped up the parts from my heart and my chest again.
My bitch tastes like candy, yeah. Play with death like I'm Billy and Mandy, yeah. I keep the chopper in a fanny,
take Addies, yeah. I'm tryna fix this damage, yeah. You know I keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. Stay up, take Addies, yeah. I'm tryna fix this damage, yeah. I'm in my head.
What do you gotta say? Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to FTV Films, and I'm about to smash your.
My bitch tastes like candy, yeah. Play with death like I'm Billy and Mandy, yeah. I keep the chopper in a fanny, yeah. Make a fuck nigga sleep like a Zanny, yeah. On the beach chillin' wearing Sandy, yeah. Just bought a whip for my granny, yeah. Fuck the ball, hit her with a Grammy, yeah. Bitch, I'm hard, put that on my mammy, yeah.
You know I keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. Stay up, take Addies, yeah. I'm tryna fix this damage, yeah. You know I keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. Stay up, take Addies, yeah. I'm tryna fix this damage, yeah. I'm in my head again. I took more medicine, ripped up the parts from my heart and my chest.